Ever baked a dessert that looks stunning but tastes just okay? What if I told you there's one simple trick to making your flan unforgettable? Today, we're diving into a recipe that combines the sweet tang of apricots with the earthy crunch of walnuts, all nestled in a creamy golden flan. This isn't just any flan, it's a showstopper that will have everyone begging for the recipe. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know the secret to a perfect flan every single time. Many home bakers struggle with flans that are either too rubbery, too runny, or just lack that wow factor. We've all hoped for a silky texture and ended up with something, well, disappointing. But don't worry, we're going to fix that. The true magic isn't just in the ingredients, it's in how we coax the best out of them. First, we're going to lightly toast our walnuts. This simple step unlocks their deep, nutty aroma and adds an incredible depth of flavor you just can't get otherwise. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. For the dried apricots, a quick soak in warm water before chopping ensures they're plump and juicy, not dry little nuggets. And for the flan itself, the real secret is a gentle, low bake. We want that slow, even cooking that creates a custardy, smooth texture without any cracks on top. The moment you pull it from the oven, golden brown and gently jiggling in the center, you'll know you've absolutely nailed it. Once chilled, every slice of this apricot and walnut flan reveals a vibrant mosaic of fruit and nuts in a silky, rich custard. It's truly a delight for both the eyes and the palate. Want to discover another amazing dessert? Click this video right here.